We start with monthly chart. And as we can see, based on monthly chart, we don't see anything to discuss. The only thing is, the question is, this is the only correction after we get this drop, or this one can be more complex. Anyway, we move to lower time frame, and most of the charts, they have this similar structure. Okay, that's mean because if we move to lower time frame, if we move to weekly chart, we cannot consider this is as a correction. This is the part of this correction. That's why we can expect this one turn to flat for the next drop if overall market, like if even a Bitcoin, if it couldn't break the all-time high and we don't see the continuation, and that's mean if we don't see the overall market uptrend, move as uptrend, all right? That's why most of the chart, they have this movement. If there is no continuation, we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That's why the breakout of the 16 at this point is really important for us, because with the breakout of the 16 we can look for 24. It doesn't mean with the breakout of the 16 we can confirm this is the start of the uptrend, but mostly we can get better confirmation for continuation, because with the breakout of the 16 then we looking for this zone. But for me, as long as I see there is breakout of the 16, then we consider this is the only correction. All right. Anyway, we're looking for the uptrend. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And breakout of the 16 at this point, this is what we're looking for. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, for those traders who get the trade for buy from here, from this correction, the first target should be 11.2, following by 13.3. That's mean the price is almost near to the first target. With the breakout of the 11.2, then I'm looking for 13.3, then following by 16. All right. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Now the question is whether we can get any correction here, how deep it can be. Even we can expect based on daily chart, this one tend to flat. That's why at this point, we want to see whether the price can break 12.2 or not. But based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, similar to the other charts, we see if we put desktop relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. That's why if the price could break desktop, that's mean 11.2 as a sharp move following by flag based on 1 hour chart of 15, we can take the trade. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Okay, simply we cannot put our entry above here. It's not a really good idea. Since we have a divergence, but it depends on the strategy the traders are using. And if we move to lower time frame 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Okay, if anyone wants, technically, if anyone wants to put the entry above here, we prefer to see the price retest this low. But at this point, it doesn't mean we cannot do it. We can, but it's really risky because uh, simply the price can tag and drop. Anyway, it depends on the strategy the traders are using again. But for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, either by breakout of this one as a sharp move, flag, I will take it. Or if I get this one turn to a drop, we see the correction, then from there I will take the trade. But at this point, I'm looking for 11.2 with the breakout of the 11.2, then I'm looking for 13.3. Thanks.